Hello friends, in this video you will learn about the account transfers. What is account transfer, how it works, we'll see. If you go to AR acceptation, there are two options, account transfers and account copy. So we'll see both of them, what is difference between both of them. An account can be copied or transferred to a new account for various reasons like need of splitting of an account, fraudulence, product upgrade or downgrade. Product upgrade means suppose we have card A but due to some reason or we want some more features or we want some more upgraded version of card, so we want to switch the logo from a higher logo to sorry, lower logo to higher logo. And downgrade means suppose we have card a logo just a random number 150, we want to move to logo 100, so that is called downgrade here. When an account is copied, account history is copied and the balance remains in the old account. Both old and new accounts can be used here. But in case of transfer, the function moves all account history, the outstanding balance, and any unbilled transaction to a new account. Only the new account would be available after transfer. It also happens that suppose whatever account we are using that have some fees, and where we want to transfer account, some have different fees. So in that scenario, fees also adjusted here. The copied account can be reversed, but only on the same day on which it got transferred before batch. So this is our account transfer screen, AR accept. Here we have to give the like org account number, then functions. We have various functions like T for transfer fraud, P for product transfer, S for smart card transfer, C for copy account, or for reversal here. Apart from this AR accept screen, some of the business have their own setup on the front end tools. There if we go and enter the org logo account number, after that it will show the for which logo we can upgrade it or for which logo we can downgrade it. So we have to select from the given option in the front end also, but at the back end AI only AI accept will work for those options. For an account to be copied, the option C should be chosen in AR accept 00. The upper portion of AR accept 01 screen contain detail about transfer from account, and in lower portion of it we can enter the details of the new account that is transferred to account. There are certain options in entering the transfer to account details. Basically, we have to give the option here or account number and the product transfer P here. After once enter, we have to give the detail for which org logo we want to upgrade it. After that, once the account get transferred, account number automatic generated here. Input to the function field in AR accept 0 describes the action to be performed on the account. If T is opted, account transfer is called fraud transfer, and this is done when the card is stolen or lost. The old account is no longer available for use by a customer. Only the new account is available to use. If P is opted, the transfer is referred as product transfer. This is done when there is product upgrade or downgrade. Number of days the old card can be used is specified in the as per auth days in this system. But in most of the business setup, I have seen that this field is always 00 by default. If S is means after transfer we cannot use the old card. If S is opted, it means smart card transfer. When transferring, the new account must be in the same organization and logo as the old account. If C is opted, it means copy account. The balance remains on the old account and both the old and new accounts are available for use by account holder. If R is opted, it means reversal of account copy. You can reverse a copy or transfer only on the same day before batch. If the batch start, we cannot reverse it. This is our AR accept screen, how it looks like, and we have to select the option here. Transfer to account. The bottom portion of AR accept screen can be used to enter details about transfer to account. The account number for the new account can be provided, or if oblique is given, CMS automatically generates the new account number. The customer number field if left blank, the same customer number as of old accounts would be taken. If oblique is given, a new customer number is generated. If hash is given, the transfer to account number is used as the customer number. The new account can be assigned to a new logo different from old account, but the card association should be the same. Means if we have suppose we have card logo A, we are using card A of Visa. Means we can switch to the Visa account to only account logo with Visa association only. We cannot switch from Visa to Master or Master to Visa. We can switch from Visa to Visa or Master to Master. If a product transfer is opted in AR except 00 screen, transfer to and transfer from cannot be the same. Effective date field in AR except 0 operate based on the parameter set transfer transaction field in ARML12. If you go to ARML12, so there is a transfer transaction parameter over defined over there. If R is set there, this will reject all the transactions, reject all non-payment transactions. N means new account. Post all non-payment transaction to the new account. O means old account. Post all non-payment transaction to the old account. S means split transactions. Post all non-payment transactions with an effective date the same as or earlier than the date the account was transferred to the new account. Post all other non-payment transactions to the old account and change the internal status to F by default. So this is all about the account transfer and account copy. So here in that the backend they are accept screen, but if you go to any specific client, so they might have their own setup, customized setup. So they have different option may be different in the front end screen. So thanks for watching video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel SNT Power Vision. Thank you.